Aloha Yellow Track students. Yesterday, you were able to go over the lines of latitude and the lines of longitude. Today, I'd like to just go over the prime meridian and the equator. Now, if you notice here on my screen, I'm showing a picture of the Earth. Prime meridian is 0 degrees longitude. Any lines that are on the right side of the prime meridian is east longitude. Any lines that are on the left of the prime meridian, which is 0 degrees longitude, is west longitude. Okay? So again, with the 0 degrees prime meridian, any lines to the right is east longitude, any lines to the left is west longitude. Now the Earth has also the equator, which is 0 degrees latitude. And that's the lines that go round and round. So any lines above the equator is north latitude. Any lines below the equator is south latitude. Okay? So when it comes to equator, above the equator line is north latitude. Below the equator line is south latitude. If I'm talking about prime meridian, anything to the right of 0 degrees longitude is east. Anything to the left is west. Okay, make sure you remember that. Okay, the next thing I'd like to go over with you is, or will be, are two different types of maps. Let me move my picture there. Okay. So, we're going to be talking about physical map and political map, two distinct different types of maps. Now, this is in your Geography Interactive Notebook, slide number 18. Let's go over what a physical map is. A physical map shows landforms such as deserts, mountains, plains, valleys, rivers, and bodies of water like lakes and oceans. It can be changed by natural forces, volcanoes, earthquakes, weathering, flooding. It can also be changed by people due to cutting down trees or overusing land until the land is no longer fertile. Okay, so this is a physical map. Now, the description for a political map, it shows political boundaries between countries and or states for the United States of America and shows city locations. It can be changed by human factors such as changes in who controls the land. Okay, so this is the description for political map. Now, make sure you understand the difference between those two type of maps, because in the political map, if I want to know, and I'm looking at a country and I want to know what their boundaries are, I would look at a political map. Okay, if I want to look at the map that shows me the landforms, like if there's mountains, terrains, and things, then I'll look at a physical map. Now, what I want you to do is in your social studies composition book, okay, your composition book, you are going to lift up the flaps that show the different types of map. So where it has the political map, you're going to write the definition under that, and the flap for physical map, you'll write the definition or description under it. Okay, so these are the descriptions that you will write under each flap. Now, the nice thing about this video is you can always pause it to copy it down. But the other option you have is go into your Geography Interactive Notebook, the digital, and look at it and copy it from there. Okay? Now, I'm going to take you to the geography assignment, and this is the assignment you have for today, and it's located on slide number 13. I am going to zoom it in to make it a little bigger, and let's go ahead and read the directions. Now, is it a physical map or a political map? It says directions. Cut out the boxes on the side, glue them on the correct column. Because you folks are not here and we don't have that hard copy for you, what I'm going to ask you to do is in the purple boxes that are provided, you're going to type in the answer there. Okay, so you'll click on it and type it. So for example, the map that shows the major cities and capital cities, will I use a political map or physical map to show me the major cities and capital cities? What did you say? Political map? You are absolutely correct. So I'm going to click on this box and I'm going to type major cities and capital cities. Okay, then I'll read the next. Shows the physical features of the land. What shows the physical features of the land? Is it political map or physical map? You are correct. Physical map. So then I'm going to put it under physical map and I'm going to type that in. Shows the physical features of the land. Okay, so that's what your assignment is going ahead and typing in those descriptions, whether it's under political map here or whether it's under the physical map on the left. Okay, so you're going to type it in there. Now, if you have any questions, be sure to see your social studies teacher. You can visit them during office hours or you can contact or email them. All right? And please make sure you study and review all of this geography terminology. Study your social studies composition book. This is going to help you for your upcoming formative. All right. Take care. Aloha.